Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we'll be making a spooky Halloween DIY that you can use as a centerpiece or for seasonal home decorations. For this DIY, we'll need a knife, wire cutters, a stand, hot glue, branches, a foam skull, and silk flowers. So let's go ahead and get started. We're starting with a foam skull that we got from Michael's, but do look around at your local craft store or even Amazon. We're using a mix of silk flowers. We're leaving about 2-3 inches of stem, and then because it's foam, it's really easy to just add them. You can also cut the stem off and hot glue it to your skull if it's plastic or another material. And this is another chance for you to use any leftover silk flowers, especially darker tones like burgundy or deep purple. So we have 3 to 6 of these larger flowers, and then we're using smaller burgundy and champagne silk roses to fill in the gaps in the spaces. This mix of colors is great for contrast, and we're adding a little bit of black carnations too because of course it's Halloween. Now we're adding some branches for that extra spooky factor. This also adds a little bit of height if you're thinking of using this as a centerpiece. But this tip is optional. You can also just stick with silk flowers if you don't want to use branches. For the base, we have this old antique looking stand that we're going to hot glue the skull to. If you don't have a base like this, you can also just place the skull on the table or use a vase. Anything with a flat surface will work. We do have a couple other Halloween decorating videos, so be sure to check in the description or in the cards for the full list. And once that glue is dry, voila, you are done. You have your mix of silk flowers, and you can display this alongside your other Halloween decorations. And if you end up making this DIY, please share it with us. We'd love to see it. We hope this tutorial gives you an idea of how to make your very own skull centerpiece, and be sure to check in the description for the tool list and more videos like this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it, share it with a friend, and subscribe for all of your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative and have a happy Halloween!